Route configuration can be set up on an application or per module basis. And most of the time, you will set up your route points in your module where you're adding your controller. To add route information within your module, you can place that code in the module.config.php file that we set up when we created the module. Routes can be set up in a variety of ways, but the most typical way is to use what is known as a segment route. Segments are a portion of the URL that can change and are created using the bracket and colon notation. This URL would match the segment route set up with the edit being the action segment and the number 2 being the ID segment. The book portion of the URL maps to the book controller, and the edit segment portion maps to the edit action method in that book controller. The ID, or number 2, would then be a parameter that could be looked up or used inside of that action method. This typically refers to a record or some other identifying feature that you can use to retrieve data or information for display purposes. So next up, we're going to go ahead and set up our book controller routes as well as the book controller itself and the view manager with inside of Zend.